Hello everyone! Welcome to my heart. This is Wajiha. Come and join me to cook these delicious grilled lamb chops. Happy watching! First thing I did was massage the meat. Massage your lamb chops before marinating and before putting it on the grilling. Because the oil helps the outside of the meat reach a higher temperature faster. When you marinate in sauce with seasonings, this will create a crispy and moist on the outside of your meat that seals in all the juice. I have here a 1 medium size of onion, just grated until you get the extract from it. This extract from onion will give more strong flavor to the meat. Now, let's add more flavors. I added 2 tablespoons of soy sauce, 1 teaspoon of black pepper, 1 teaspoon of paprika, 1 teaspoon of cumin powder, and 1 tablespoon of olive oil. Stir it well and then squeeze half of lime. Mix it evenly till seasonings dissolve. Once you are done with the sauce, pour this into the meat. Then start marinating for at least 1 hour. Marinating the chops ahead of time serves purposes. It's a superb way to pre-salt the meat, which helps the chops retain moisture while it cooks. Marinating with seasoning and onion extracts gives the lamb extra flavor. I don't have outdoor grill, so I cook this in oven broiler. If you have an oven heated with a natural gas, the broiler is usually the drawer below the oven. Lastly, I sprinkled black pepper into the meat before grilling. This is my tender and juicy grilled lamb chop. I hope you enjoyed watching this video. Please give me your thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe. Thank you for watching. Keep safe, everyone.